there's no one behind us. Oh my gosh. That was so chill.
That was nice.
Yo. What's up YouTube? What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys have been enjoying the vid. Make sure you guys like this video right now. Pretty much today we're going to some poppy fields. You know, in LA it's like spring right now. The sun's coming out. The mountains are turning green, but fields with flowers are popped. Dude, they're so beautiful. So we're gonna go check it out. But first, gotta fill up gas. So I'll make a video how much it costs for me to fill up some gas, because some gas, there's another gas station I should go to, and it's like literally 50 cents cheaper, which is crazy. But yeah, it's like 50 cents cheaper, so it's gonna be it's gonna be like $20 more just to fill up here. But dude, that's another con of LA, bro. It's so expensive here. Like, I know in some places East Coast it's like mad cheap, it's like $3 a gallon, bro. Here it's five like, especially for premium, it's like 5.1, 5.20. Oh gosh. The other gas station's like $4.70 for premium.
Oh wow.
So it is what it is, but LA's the vibe, bro. No city's like this city. I lived in Chicago, LA's the vibe. The cons of living in LA, bro. $81. It's the cons of living in LA, but this is how you live. This is how you survive LA right here. If you know, you know. That's the trick, boys, to live in LA. So you gotta start a business. We're on our way to our poppy fields now, and obviously with my girl, she's very freaking out. But these roads that we're gonna be on is kind of curvy and stuff, so I'll probably try to get some POVs on the way. Got a fresh tank of gas, so it's gonna be a vibe. The roads are gonna be kind of curvy, so it's gonna be kind of a vibe. Obviously, this car is not meant for that, but chill. It's not like curvy to like where like you see on TikTok and the LA mountains. You know, it's like more chill. It's kind of similar to how it's gonna look, but this is where I live, so this is nothing. Dude, Hellcat's definitely not made for this, but look how freaking beautiful it is here. This is only like 15 minutes away from my house too. See, bro, this is why I love LA. The vibe is just so different. Like anywhere you go, like there's like no houses now, you know? It's freaking amazing. That's why suburbs in LA, like there's so much room to grow. This one's more open. Dang, dude, look how good it looks here.
That's so nice.
I'm excited to keep growing this channel. Eventually, you know, once I level up and get like a Porsche, I'm definitely gonna make a POV in these mountains. I used to ride my motorcycles here, but I quit motorcycles after my dad got injured. So now, time to get hella invest into cars. Hopefully, level up on YouTube and keep reinvesting all the money I make and just keep growing. Let's see.
Why is this actually like looks identical to Malibu? Just no beach.
This is pretty much just like Malibu, honestly. If you go like 30 minutes in another direction, that's where they made Star Wars. They filmed a couple clips over there.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's like a big. We're taking a little breather because, bro, the elevation is kind of messing with my head. But check this car out. Look at the whip. But yeah, honestly, like when a car looks kind of dusty like this, it's kind of a vibe. Like I just can't imagine like the car being all dusty on the side. Like after going through some dirt roads, I feel like it looks so BA. But yeah, I gotta take a little breather. It's about to be a vibe. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been here, so it's kind of like memory trail. But dude, I'm excited for the channel. I'm excited how things are gonna go. I'm excited to keep growing, you know, and then hopefully with my success, I can go visit all my high schools and my middle schools. Because I don't know if you guys know, I was a clown in school, and I was pretty much everyone expected me to fail. And guess what, bro? Leveled up once. Now it's time to keep leveling up. Little Super right here, looking clean. What the fudge? Yeah, so literally we did some research. Literally last week it was like crazy. So I guess this past week it just killed it, which sucks, man. Because literally last week I was trying to come. It's pretty much dead now. But look, there's even snow in the mountains still, bro. So I don't even know, man. That's kind of whack. The only thing that sucks is I got to wait until next year until I can come again. What's the vibe? Just imagine being a Hellcat parked right here. It's decent view.
Hellcat parked in the middle of the mountain.
Just imagine it, yeah. Just imagine it.
That'd be insane.
I just wish I just full sent it. Just parked my Hellcat. But people get it, so you can't do that.
Yeah.
It's probably better when there's actually more leaves.
They go spin in the.
Dude, what the fudge? Dude, this looks so nice. Exactly, we gotta take advantage of what we have. It's really nice. It's still nice. So we done with the spot. Came just a week late, but it's whatever. It's not a big deal. Time to go do, since now I know the roads, time to do like a little mountain POV drive. I'm in automatic mode too, so it's not even changing the gear. I guess it doesn't care. I'm excited though. I'm about to put my head mount on, so time to get some POV driving. Oh, dude, this car is actually so fun. It just pulls so easily. Yeah, the guy's looking at me like, look at goofy little goober. Yo! Oh, dude, it's bouncing in my head so much. Oh, snap. K-band. Oh, snap. Dude, the pops are insane right now, bro.
Oh, wow.
Dang, bro, this spot's so nice. I can't believe we're at, this literally looks like we're in Malibu. Like these mountains literally look like we're in Malibu, babe. Yeah. Actually crazy.
I agree.
That's it, bro. We don't need to go Malibu anymore. That's it.
Yeah,
not messing. We'll still go Malibu, but it's gotta be worth our time, you know? Because it's kind of a far drive to get there. This stuff. There's no one behind us. Oh my gosh. That was so chill.
That was nice.
Yeah, it picked up speed so fast. That was like a 0 to 80.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a little montage for today.
Yeah, do it, bro. This is such a perfect road compared to everything else.
Yeah.
I mean, we did see cops earlier. There was 2 of them that drove by. Oh, dude, it's so easy speeding here. There's a shooting range over here. Should we go take a look?
Yeah, why not?
Let's go take a look what's going on over here. Bro, you can hear people shooting, bro. Sketch. Gunshots are scary, bro. Like, they can literally just turn around and just bop anyone they want. I'm just so happy my Hellcat's not so low to the ground where I won't be able to, dude, any other car, pretty much, like, you can't make it through.
So true.
Oh, dude, literally I was talking about it earlier. My car's so dusty now. Looks beast, though. Dude, I just want to keep recording this POV because it's just so nice, but I think I'm going to end it off very soon. Oh, dude, this intake was the move. This intake's freaking amazing, bro. Again, another straightaway, bro. Dude, this is literally such a perfect road. Look how nice it is here. It's still super green here. Oh my gosh, this car is amazing. amazing, bro. I'm just so happy I have this radar detector too, bro. We haven't been detecting anything, and we haven't seen anybody, so we know it's like somewhat working. But I do want to detect somebody, but it doesn't seem like cops are out today, bro. I'm just kind of surprised. Dude, honestly, I thought this Hellcat would be like too much for these kind of mountains. It's actually fun, bro.
Yeah.
Just because when there's like straightaways, it's fun to launch it. Exactly, yeah. Like what I like a Porsche for is just so I can keep gassing it on turns, but even then you still can't gas it like too crazy, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, how fast you try and go on turns, you know? I'm not trying to risk it.
Yeah, of course. Can't go above the speed limit.
Oh my gosh. This is the first time I pushed it, honestly. Because on the freeway, there's always slow cars, you know? Look at the cars in front of us, dude. They're going freaking fast.
Yeah.
I love how like the speed limit in California, like it kind of doesn't even matter. Because they make it so low, but no one follows it. Because it's unreasonable. Except like something like this, you know, on turns like this, yeah, it's kind of sketch. But like on the freeway, dude, some speed limits are like 50, and bro, everyone's going 80. Like everyone's going 80, plus or minus 5. Like that's it. But we're almost home, and dude, this is a vibe. I can't wait until it's winter again and come back here with some nicer cars, you know? Like I want to come back here so bad with some like GTRs, some GT3 RSs. I can't one day just to like, if things just go as planned, I'm gonna buy like as many cars as possible and have just all my friends drive them, you know? All the close friends, all the day ones. Because honestly, buying this car showed a lot of true colors, and now I know who's my true friends, you know? It's time to bless them, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, over here it's more curvy. I had a head mount earlier. Dude, look at that rock. It's so nice, like so shiny. Sorry, bro. Dang! It's freaking popping like crazy.
Yeah.
So you know like that long road we were just on where it's like a lot of room to drive?
Yeah.
That's more like Malibu. Like, and this is kind of the beginning. This is like really similar to Malibu for sure. Like these roads are kind of boring. It's kind of like whatever. Over there, it's freaking fun, bro.
Yeah. I mean, there's one point on Malibu where the whole thing is way more winding.
Yeah,
Where,
where it just gets crazy.
Every few seconds, there's like a turn.
This one's not as bad.
Yeah. This is so narrow.
Oh.
So pretty.
Dang, dude, look at the mountain. Oh my gosh, this is literally a thumbnail right here, bro. Look at this one. What? Look how nice this road is, bro. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Hope you guys enjoyed that Malibu POV. Honestly, I expect the way honestly it did better than I expected. So I enjoyed the ride. It was pretty chill. Of course we gotta level up, get better cars for certain types of roads, but so far this car's a beast. I hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Make sure you guys leave a like if you want to see more. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.